Dino University.
Hey friends, welcome to Dino University. Today we're exploring solids, liquids and gases. Everything around us is made of matter. Matter comes in three main forms: solid, liquid and gas. Solids keep their shape. A book, a rock and an ice cube are all solids. They don't change on their own. Liquids flow and take the shape of their container. Water and juice are liquids. Gases spread out and fill up space. The air we breathe is a gas. We can't even see it. When a solid gets warm enough, it melts into a liquid. Watch this ice cube melt. When a liquid gets hot enough, it turns into gas. Boiling water makes steam float into the air. And when a liquid gets cold enough, it freezes back into a solid, like ice. We see matter changing all around Australia. Ice melting on a hot day, or steam rising from a billy tea. Let's remember, solids keep shape, liquids flow, and gases spread out and fill space. Amazing work today. Matter can be solid, liquid or gas. And now you know how it changes. Bye.
Subscribe for more videos.